This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Giuseppe Zerillo. Spectacular top-floor never-occupied corner unit in the clock tower Pointe of Harwood Heights. This luxury 2-bed 2-full-bath unit features a gorgeous kitchen with granite countertops, stone backsplash, along with high-end stainless steel appliances. Full master suite with sink granite countertops and jet-style bathtub. Stylish French doors on the second bedroom with walk-in closet. High-end Minka Air lighting package including ceiling fans. In-unit washer and dryer. One indoor heated parking space and storage unit included. Unit has dry-walled ceilings instead of exposed popcorn. Solid oak cabinets and trimming along with crown molding and 6-panel doors along with hardwood floors throughout. Huge private balcony with rare southeast exposure. Assessments includes heat, water, and Uverse U300 package with premium channels, home internet service, and home phone with unlimited calling in the U.S. elevator building with workout facility as well. Property includes all the furniture. Maine South School District. For more information.